David and Victoria Beckham cozied up together on a £5 million yacht following a burglary at their London home, as they relax ahead of eldest son Brooklyn's wedding this weekend. The famous couple looked zen as they kicked back in the glorious Miami sunshine with their children Harper and Romeo, on the super yacht named Seven. Ex-footie David and his wife were living the high life as they put on sunglasses and soaked up the gorgeous weather. Fashion designer Victoria, 47, showed off her sensational figure in a strappy mini dress, while 46-year-old David showed off his tattooed body in a white t-shirt and black shorts. They got close together as they were busy looking at something on David's phone. David sat in the sunshine next to his son Romeo and was chatting to his daughter on the boat's deck. The hunk named his yacht after his iconic shirt number he wore for 6 years while playing for Manchester United. But Seven also has another meaning behind it, as it's their daughter's middle name. Their trip out comes as the couple are set to watch their eldest son, 23, tie the knot with billionaire heiress Nicola Peltz, 27, on Saturday, April 9, 2022 in front of a star-studded guest list. The pair are said to have signed the mother and father of all prenups. With huge sums of money being owned by the pair's respective families, it is reported that the young couple have signed a strict prenuptial agreement to protect their assets should their marriage ever hit the rocks. The Mail on Sunday reports, Brooklyn Beckham is understood to have signed a prenuptial agreement with his heiress bride-to-be Nicola Peltz. The £380 million fortune of Brooklyn's parents, David and Victoria, is dwarfed by the estimated £1.3 billion wealth of Miss Peltz's financier father Nelson. News of the prenup comes as preparations for Saturday's £3 million ceremony and party at the Peltz family mansion in Palm Beach, Florida, gather pace. Celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay, actress Eva Longoria, Madonna's son Rocco Ritchie, and the full members of the Spice Girls are rumored to be on the guest list. Former footballer Phil Neville, American football legend Tom Brady and his wife Gisele Bündchen are also expected to attend. The wedding is due to take place at the Peltz family's £76 million, 44,000 square feet beach house in Miami. Nicola has reportedly shunned the idea of wearing a Victoria Beckham design dress and is expected to walk down the aisle in a Valentino gown and will be helped on the day by A-list fashion stylist Leslie Freemer on the day.